Let's briefly consider the concept of alignment in course design. We can think about designing a course as a bit like a basket. All of the individual pieces need to be woven together into a cohesive, unified whole. We'll use this storyboard example to illustrate how alignment works. The faculty member prepared this plan for Module 1 by writing module objectives, course outcomes, and assessments. You can see from the first module objective that explain what ethics is the observable learning goal. Looking across to the course outcome, define key legal and ethical terms, it seems that this module objective clearly supports the course outcome. Therefore, we say these two learning goals are in alignment. Moving on to the assessment, the instructor plans to ask students to take a quiz that requires matching and multiple choice selections. Remembering the module objective, do you think students can explain what ethics is by taking a matching or multiple choice quiz? It's not possible since the Bloom's verb explain requires some form of open response, either orally or in writing. We would have to conclude that the module objective and the assessment are not in alignment here. However, by requiring a short answer quiz or essay, proper alignment could be achieved. As you can see, alignment between module learning objectives and assessments is key to a quality course design. At this point, you might wonder, what kinds of assessments can I do online? Really, there is an online version of just about any classroom assessment you can think of. Case studies, debates, role plays, tests, simulated patients, reflections, and group projects are just a few examples. If you search on the internet for classroom assessment techniques, often referred to as CATs, you'll find many examples of assessments that you can adapt. Of course, assessments need to be carefully planned out to ensure they're engaging and they align with learning goals. The final phase of the planning process requires the instructor to curate course resources. Carefully selected course materials that are aligned with module objectives provide students with the basic foundation to begin the learning discovery process. Electronic versions of articles and other materials can be hyperlinked to the course, and required textbooks may be purchased by students. And the FCTL can help you create your own materials, such as videos and audio recordings. It's important to note that when curating resources, we must adhere to copyright and accessibility guidelines. The FCTL staff will ensure compliance with established copyright and ADA rules. Once the storyboard planning process is complete, the FCTL team builds the course in Blackboard using a standardized course template. A consistent layout and clear navigation make it easy for students to focus on learning rather than on the technology. And the FCTL ensures course quality by incorporating Quality Matters standards throughout the development process. Let's recap what we learned about designing online courses. It's important to design for active learning. This means asking students to engage in developing skills in order to achieve predetermined learning goals. Also, it's important to align the learning goals, assessments, and course materials into cohesive units of learning. Online course design is a creative and iterative process. The first attempt may not be perfect, but incorporating some of the elements of good course design into your courses will get you and your students moving in the right direction. For more information about how to begin the online course design process, contact the Faculty Center for Teaching and Learning from our website.